Okay, so since I've been in quarantine, I've watched a buttload of K-dramas and almost every single one of them features fried chicken. And I don't know about you, but I usually watch K-dramas at night, and something about seeing a piece of fried chicken right before you sleep makes you crave it, or makes me at least crave it so much. So with that, I decided to fulfill my K-drama shavings. To fulfill my K-drama cravings, I'll be making Korean fried chicken wings. Alright, so first let's start with the ingredients. For the fried chicken, you're going to need 15 to 20 pieces of chicken wings, 2 cups of tempura powder, 1 cup of soju, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, and lastly 2 tablespoons of ground black pepper. For the red sauce, you're going to need half a cup of water, 1/3 cup of ketchup, 1/4 cup of gochujang, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, half a cup of minced garlic, and lastly 1/3 cup of brown sugar. That's basically everything that we need, but first let's wash our hands. So the first step is to marinate and prepare the chicken. In a huge bowl with my chicken wings, I'm going to add in my soju, my tempura powder, my cornstarch, garlic powder, ground pepper, and lastly the curry powder. Now typically people like to put the mixture in the fridge for around 30 minutes to an hour, but I'm hungry like now, so I'm just going to go ahead and fry my chicken right away. Since I'm frying plenty of chicken wings, I just fried 5 pieces at a time for about 10 minutes or so until they were a nice light brown color. Straight after frying, I immediately placed my wings on a sheet of paper towel to lessen the oil and repeated this whole process till I had no more wings to fry. After my wings have chilled a little for a few minutes, I'm going to fry them once again in the same oil for about 2 minutes each batch. Now if you aren't aware of this, this is called the double frying method, and this is what gives the chicken wings an extra crunch, which is really what we're trying to achieve when we're making Korean fried chicken wings. To make the sauce, I just took a saucepan and added some water, brown sugar, soy sauce, ketchup, gochujang or Korean red paste, and lastly garlic. Then on medium-high heat, I just let my sauce kind of simmer for around 10 minutes or so, or until the sauce was nice and thick like so. So now that we have our chicken and our sauce, basically we're just gonna combine the two to make our Korean fried chicken. So what I'm doing here is just adding half of the sauce to my chicken, then tossing it together like so that the sauce and the chicken can be well combined and everything will really come together. Next, I'm just gonna add my chicken wings onto a plate and prepare it for the toppings. Here I'm just going to add in the rest of the sauce because I do love saucy wings. And to add some more flavor and texture, I'm going to top it off with some sesame seeds. And for more crunch and flavor, I also added and topped it off with some green onions. And that's basically it. So here's my Korean fried chicken wings topped with sesame seeds and green onion. Here's me trying my chicken wings and showing it to you guys like it's a beauty product. I don't know why I keep doing this with my food, but anyways, I really enjoyed eating this. Here's my happy food dance that I always do when I enjoy my meal. These wings are super crispy and crunchy, and I really love pairing it with rice, but I was really excited to eat it, so I just ate it by itself. This meal really satisfied my K-drama cravings, and hopefully it does the same for you. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!